Verdict say that 31st May will be the smart city work will be completed. What do you like to say?
See, one thing I will tell you very clearly. The way work is going on in Panjim, work cannot get completed by 31st May. We have barely 20 days for work to get completed. If you see the work is being carried out haphazardly. Very, very cheap kind of a work which is going on. You've seen the footpath which is being laid. It is uneven. It is not going to be something that is going to last forever. I challenge the Chief Minister of Goa and I also challenge Mr. Sanjit Rodriguez that if the work does not get complete by 31st May, will he resign? That's the first question. If the work which is completed up to 31st May and if it gets the way the work is being carried out, if it is the way it is being carried out, it's going to be very bad and shabby work. If it is going to be destroyed in the rains, will they resign? Because the work, the way it is being carried out, लोकांचे पैसे खाता, पैसे अशे तरेन खावपाची परिस्थिती जाल्ली की how they are doing now. Just the road which was done near 18 June road, they have dug it up last night. So whose money is being wasted? Entire tarred road is dug up because probably they forgot to put a drain. That's what that labor told me. What are you doing? I asked him, क्या कर रहे हो? तो बोला drain बना रहे. So what is this happening? It's not your father's money, it's not your family's money that you are wasting like this. It's our money, it is taxpayers' money. Entire Panjim is destroyed. Now you are trying to cover it up by putting lipstick kind of a makeup on the entire work. I don't think work is going to be complete by 31st. In the bargain of completing work by 31st, please don't do shabby work. At least that will be a blessing for us. Just to show the High Court that you are going to complete the work by 31st, the way work is being conducted, I don't think it is going to last. It is going to be a more problem during rains than not completing the work.
So on what ground is saying that work will be complete?
फटिंगपणा रे ती सरकारूच फटिंगपणाचो जाल्यार when the राजा फटिंग जाल्यार तो सेवक कितें आसतलो? राजाच जर फटिंग जाल्यार ताचो सेवकूय तसोच आसतलो. राजाय फटिंगपणा करता. राजाय म्हणटा आमचो राजा म्हणजे सीएम ते राजाच जाल्या सध्या. म्हणजे त्याचो बिहेवियर पळयत जाल्यार राजापेक्षा म्हणजे राजा आशिल्लो की आपल्या सत्ते फुडें आपूण कोणाक काय करचो ना अशी परिस्थिती जाल्या. पणजेची परिस्थिती कितें करून दवरल्यार तुमी? गोंयची परिस्थिती सोडून पणजे शाराची परिस्थिती. एबे महालक्ष्मीच्या देवळा कडेन आसा आमी सकल. देवळा कडेन येयात आनी एकदां पळयात कितें परिस्थिती आसा आनी देवा समोर येवन तरी सांगा की हे तुमी करता ते बरोबर म्हणून. पळय ती फुटपाथ देर इज नो लेवलिंग ऑफ फुटपाथ. जो एज आसा तो वयर आसा ते उदक भरचें ना. इट इज कॉमन नॉलेज की ज्या जाग्यार एज आसा, इफ द फुटपाथ इज लोअर दॅन द एज, इफ द येदो व्हडलो जर तांणी टँक कसो करून दवरला दॅट वील टर्न इनटू अ लेक. म्हणजे कितें चल्लां तेच कळना म्हाका. इन द बार्गेन ज्या तरेन जे चल्लां ते पळय. तूं जर सगळे 18 जून रोडाची परिस्थिती पळय, तूं जर सांतिनेज जी चल्ला ती परिस्थिती पळय, 31st जर ह्या 20 दिसांनी हे काम कंप्लीट जावपा जाय, ते सिमेंटेड रोड क्युरेट जावचे ना. सो दे वील गेट क्रॅक्स. जे उरल्या ते कामां आसा पळय ती कामां कंप्लीट जावचे ना. ती कंप्लीट करूंक जाय म्हणून घाईन करतले. ती घाईन केल्ली कामां सामकी वाट लावन उडयतले आनी वाट लावन उडयतली ताची परिस्थिती आमकां भोगची पडटली फुडल्या 2-3 म्हयन्यांत. ह्याच्या भायर म्हाका दिसना हाचे वयर दुसरें सत्य आसा.
So Panji will flood this time?
Panji will get destroyed in the rains because of the haphazard work. ते कितें करता जाण तूं? 3 कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर 3 रोड करता. एक फुटपाथ दुसऱ्या फुटपाथीक मॅच जायना कारण एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जो काम करता तो दुसरो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरा बरोबर काम करना कारण एक फुटपाथ हांगासर एक फुटपाथ अशी जाल्या. सो खंय वतलें उदक? म्हणजे अल्टिमेटली what I just can't understand this government. I just can't understand how much they can lie to people of Goa. And I just can't understand why people of Goa and पणजेचे सुशिक्षित लोक सोंसता कित्याक ते कळना म्हाका. आमकां उलयता आसतना इतलो राग येता पूण मात्तूय राग येना लोकांक. ही काय म्हणजे कितेंच विचार लोकांचो तोय कळना. आनी असोच जर विचार दवरत जाल्यार हे माजतले. हांकां सत्तेचो जो माज चडला पळय ह्या सरकाराक तो इतलो चडला, इतली कातडी जाट जाल्या. I don't want to use that कातडी synonymous of another animal. ते एनिमल सुद्धा लजेक पडटले की तीच कातडी हांकां जाल्यार म्हणली जाल्यार. पूण ही परिस्थिती आसा पणजेची हांणी जी करून दवरल्या पळय ती इतलें वायट दिसता. 1000 कोटी तुमी खावंक जाय आशिल्लें काम करनासतना आनी एक 10-12 फेस्टिवल करपाक जाय आशिल्ली. प्रत्येक फेस्टिवलाचेर 10-20 कोटी खावंक जाय आशिल्ले. पूण लोकांक त्रास करून पयशे कित्याक खाता हो प्रश्न आसा.